guys, so today we're gonna go to a beach, and I think it's, which one are we going? Are we going to a new one?
We're not sure.
We might go to a new one. It'll be fun. We have all the kids in the car. Is everybody excited?
Yes.
Yeah. Mom, are you excited?
Yes. We have not been to the beach in a while where we could actually go down to the water.
Yeah, it's been super crazy, but we're all super excited. Okay.
We made it to a parking lot. Huh, Jenna?
Yes.
Took forever, huh?
Yes.
But we got an amazing spot from a super sweet family. So thankful.
Whether he was here last time or not, he goes to the beach all the time.
Buddy, excited?
I've been to.
What do you mean you can't be excited, love?
Drop your camera.
I won't.
Oh, they do have rocks. Lindsay's best friend.
It's a nice day for surf. Over here it is super, super calm. And so peaceful.
Hi.
Sure, you guys are having fun? Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's
I
go
think it's
to
so
the water.
Lindsay, don't get too close right there.
I love that swimsuit, Chloe. It's pretty.
Ew.
Sorry, Jenna.
What is it?
Dead fish head. From fishing.
From what I saw, it looks like
I thought Brian just fell.
Not super deep. Don't get too wet because you don't have clothes to change into. Yeah, it's super cold.
I'm going to go a little bit up here.
Do that again, Dad. Oh, it's cold.
That's so cool.
We are cold.
It's so cold.
That's a cute swimsuit, Lynn.
Chloe has a matching one kind of.
She's still. Look at the seaweed, guys. Seaweed. Are you having fun?
Yeah, can I go down more?
A little bit. Don't get too wet.
Okay.
Otherwise, you're not going home.
You know. I kind of want to just sit in it, but you said no. It completely splashed.
Yes. Oh, I love them.
They're matching.
Brian, stop splashing, you weirdo.
He's having fun. Please stop splashing near me. Jenna is like the farthest one out. Lindsay apparently is scared of the beach because of sharks. close to the stud. Ooh, that's pretty, Jay. Okay.
Wait, Jenna.
What you looking for?
Crabs.
This is so peaceful just being here. Look at how fast this soaks up, though. Well, till the wave comes back. Whoa.
I said I will protect her.
It keeps coming up higher and higher. Jenna found a really cool shell. Careful, Jay. I buried it. Here comes the water again. So this is actually really fun and relaxing. We're not going to be here long today just because we got here kind of late.
These are for Chloe.
Chloe's collecting shells. Broken shells?
Yeah.
Chloe, you want broken shells?
No, this one's cool. I'm sure.
This one's broken.
I couldn't tell that this one was broken when I picked it up.
Yeah, that one's broken. I mean, this one's kind of cracked, but not too bad. He is just digging away. There comes another one, Jenna. Summer, watch out, it's coming. Oh, just digging away. He's looking for crabs, I think. Water's coming. Lindsay's doing a photo shoot. At the end of the pier right there is one of our favorite places to go eat.
I'm surprised I still try and run out waves. After last time I had it before.
Down there, if you could see it at the end, is Ruby's Diner, and that's my kids' favorite place to eat. We eat there almost every single time we come to the beach.
Wait.
Running next time.
Okay, shoes, toes. Okay, move them upward.
I got to hold your shoe.
Okay.
I'm expecting it to be that.
My shoe tried to run away, didn't it?
Ryan's always a little wet.
Our stuff got soaked for the most part.
Let's all those bags. And then go check the clothes. I know.
Let's go in my camera.
It's leather, so I didn't go through it.
Here's two of them. We tried.
I know.
Ryan, watch out, it's coming back. Where's my other shoe, guys?
I don't know.
I only have one shoe.
No, you don't. You have two of them.
Where are they?
Right there and right there.
Right where and right where? more rocks. Maybe not.
Chloe. Oh, I'm trying not to get the broken.
So the waves were, Jenna, watch out! A waves up there or back there and pretty calm on this side, and it seems like they're picking up. Ooh, a pretty sailboat.
Run as much as I can off.
See if we can.
Alright, someone help.
Off in the distance. I love sailboats. So, Brian, watch out. I don't think you can stop it that way, my dude. His towel's soaking wet.
I thought I saw sand on there, but it was just a paper.
I'm sorry. You hear the water come.
Your tan lines on your flip flops.
I know my tan lines. Yo. Here it comes.
I didn't think it would come up that high.
It wasn't earlier.
Not like 5 minutes ago, it was high.
Mommy, you can find my phone, right?
Yes, it's in my pocket. Hasn't been up that high all day.
Oh, but of course when we come.
Janice rinsing my shoes that almost got washed away.
A crab pinch.
I'm sorry. So, the water got to our stuff. Brian's towel's wet. Oh well.
It almost took our shoes.
Yeah, it almost took my shoes. I almost had to buy shoes, guys. Oh well again. Summer's just chillaxing. Jana won't get out of the water. Chloe loves the water too. She just doesn't go in a whole lot. Okay, we are headed back to the car. We've been here for a couple hours. Kids are hungry. It's dinner time. And we are going to go get some food.
Yay!
You excited, Summer?
Yeah.
You guys excited?
Yes, ma'am.
For the first time in a long time, we're not going to Ruby's.
I
know.
It's because it's closed, but that's okay.
Crazy.
I also love Taco Bell when we come here.
Yeah, the kids want Taco Bell. So we are going to go and eat out.
When
At
we
Taco
ate
Bell.
him last time, I made him get
It
Taco
should be
Bell.
fun. You made him go to Taco Bell?
Yeah, when me and him were leaving, when we came for my birthday last year.
Chloe gets mad at that Taco Bell every time. Because
Left my swimsuit there.
Shaylee left her swimsuit
And I
there.
got it with my own money.
Wait, did we cross right here? I think we did cross right here.
Yeah.
I think so. Where should we cross? Should we walk down there where it's safer then?
Sure, that's where I tried to walk down when we first started coming. But then you said, I think we walked from this way.
We did walk from that way though.
We did. You're absolutely right, but I'm just saying because on my way, we would have been at the car.
We could have. But we didn't. I love walking around Oceanside area because we're in Oceanside right now. Chloe, you good?
Yeah.
We love walking through some of the neighborhoods around here. It's so fun. Just the different scenery, the different plants. It's just one of our favorite things to do, huh, Summer?
Yeah.
This will be fun.
Yeah.
And they're there.
Hi, okay guys, so we left the beach. We're gonna be going to the hospital now because Summer's not feeling very well. Yeah, that's where we're at. Jenna's way back there. What are you doing, Miss J? You're eating your Doritos Locos Taco? Did a lot of it just fall? Oh my goodness.
The whole bottom ripped.
But did it fall all over?
No.
Okay, well that's good at least. So everybody's a little bit scared, huh guys? Because we're wondering what's going to happen, but everything's going to be okay. And we came to the nearest hospital about the pain. So yeah, we're going to see what happened. I know they ate the same food, so I wonder if it was the food that caused it, but we're going to see. Huh guys? So we are back in the car now. Chloe and Summer are both here. Chloe, do you want to tell them? She just got sick where we ate.
Yeah.
Summer, how are you doing?
I feel like vomiting.
Do you?
You have your baggie.
Yeah.
Okay. So you guys were there for about an hour and a half?
Yeah, we were at home.
No. You guys got...
I couldn't get over, so I had to flip around in a neighborhood. Sorry.
Okay. I was
That's so
really
funny.
confused. I thought I lost a chunk of time.
No, we're good. We're good, babes. Well, we'll be home soon, though. We're not that far.
Jenna and Brian and me were all really worried about you two.
Oh, so sweet.
They saw you guys super fast though, huh Mom?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I love this hospital. They're all super friendly
Because
and
right
nice, and they're
Oh, cool.
amazing there. So,
a doctor complimented my skirt.
Okay.